Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to introduce you all the components of Qbot. First, open the box. This is drawing which has circular lights, and you can use this drawing to place light follower gameplays. Take this sponge off. This is Qbot button board. And this is Qbot upper board. This is Qbot of sonic sensor. And this is Qbot screwdriver, which can use to install some screw or other components on Qbot. And this is USB cable, which can use to charge the battery or download some programs in Qbot. In this plastic box, it has one rechargeable batteries and uppers and bottom board connected white. And in this plastic bag, it has 3 copper pillows and servo screw. And this is infrared remote controller. If you want to know more about Qbot or other our company's robot series, you can visit our official website www.hiwonder.com or search Hiwonder in Facebook, Twitter, or other social medias. Thanks for you watching.